units don't really matter. What you're trying to do first is you're trying to just set some goals around exactly what you want to accomplish. And then I would write these down every single day. First thing, every single day. Real estate lab. Day one as an investor, I want you guys to set some goals. So get out a pen and some paper and let's write down some goals. What do you want to accomplish? First things first, I want you to write down what you want to accomplish in the next 90 days. And we're going to talk action steps. And this might be something that's easier to write down after you've gone through the rest of this course. But I want you to write down, what do you want to accomplish in the next 90 days? And then what do you want to accomplish within the next 12 months? So your 90-day plan might be talk to 10 different brokers and look at 20 properties and underwrite 20 properties and make 10 offers or something like that, right? But you've got to come up with something as a first 2 to 3 month plan on what you want to actually do and action steps that you can get done immediately, stuff that you can go and do right now that are going to help you, progress in this business. So that might be 90-day plan. Finish this course, link up and go to a couple meetups, network with some people, find a couple potential investors, talk to some brokers, put numbers behind these things. Talk to 10 multifamily brokers. Pick the 2 markets that I want to invest in. Go drive by 20 properties. Underwrite 30 deals. Stuff like that. Make 10 offers, like I said before. And write that stuff down. Set that out as a goal. And then I want you guys to just attack it. Attack those goals. Write down a bunch of action items. Do it while you're watching this course. I think this course will give you a lot of things that you can use as your action items. But then go and do those things, right? And all along the way, you're going to be learning, gaining knowledge. Like I said before, learn as you go, learn on the job type of stuff. So set a 90-day plan. Next, set a 12-month plan. What do you guys want to get out of the next 12 months? You want to buy 1 property? You want to buy your first 3 properties? You want to buy 100 units? Set something, right? You guys will learn eventually. It's not about the number of units. I know a lot of people, if you're familiar and you follow the space a lot of people talk about how many units they own or AUM or assets under management. A lot of that's not really important. I've made more money on a 20-unit building worth, $4 million than I have on a $12 million 136-unit property. It's because I structured it differently and I owned a different, bigger percentage in the smaller deal. So units don't really matter. What you're trying to do first is you're trying to just set some goals around exactly what you want to accomplish. And then I would write these down every single day. First thing, every single day. When I first started, I have books. I have like 4 or 5 notebooks of goals. I used to write them down every single day, hundreds of pages. Now I'll write my goals like every week or every month, because it's easier to stay focused on those because I've got really a groove at this point. But writing down your goals in the beginning every single day, I think is extremely powerful. And even to this day, right, I still should be doing that. I think it's a great exercise. So writing down your goals every day is really important. So figure out what those goals are. I would maybe pull out a notebook while you're watching this course and use a lot of the action items I'm going to go over with you guys to write down those goals and to create those first 90-day goals. And then by the end of this, figure out, hey, what do you want? I'm going to give you guys some examples of deals and the type of money that can be made on different deals. I'm going to just show you real-life, transparent examples of some deals that I've done. And we'll go from there, and then you guys can set some goals around it. So set your goals, hugely important. And then, just get that notebook out and set them along the way during this course.